It's the day before the big day. Tomorrow's sub 5-minute mile attempt. I'm going to get a good rest in tonight, and I'm going to see you guys in the morning getting excited. There goes the idea of a good sleep. It's one of those mornings.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Good morning, everybody. A hell of a night that was, but a beautiful morning. Now it's time to get changed. Peace out. See you on the journey. We're heading to Ganmiri, where we're going to meet Viggy. There he is. So. Comrade, how you doing?
Good, how's it going?
You sleeping a little bit?
Oh, it's amazing. Can't believe I actually overslept. It never happens.
That's
I
good.
mean, so I just didn't wake up.
We'll have fresh legs.
Fresh head maybe. I don't know about the legs.
Anyway, let's get in the car, get the tunes going, and head to
Oh
Jerusalem.
yeah, the tune.
Alrighty. Time to get into it. Woo!
I can't get no sleep.
Goose flesh.
It's not good shoes.
We've made it. We're in Jerusalem. 10 weeks of training done.
200 meters, 12 times at 3 minutes per kilometer pace.
6 times 400 meters. 2 minutes rest in between.
So the plan is a 5k time trial.
It's week 4, and with these legends, you may recognize Nissan Bloom, Running for Hope, an unplanned marathon. We're gonna do 6 times 800 at 2:45.
We are doing 5 times 1,000 meters.
We've had 8 weeks of training. Let's see what we can do for a mile.
8 times 400 meters at race pace.
Wow, we're getting close to the big day.
The first 10 weeks.
The first 10 weeks, exactly. The excuse is already setting in.
Well, we have a whole list.
It's cold, we're old. We'll get to it at the end. Bottom line, I don't know, that feeling before a sub 3-hour marathon, the nerves are heavy, but there's something very different about the 5-minute mile we've got going. Oh, watch this guy. Check out these players. Woo!
Ask him if he wants to pay us.
Payas us or pesos?
Coming through it.
It's a busy morning.
Yes.
It's going to be so painful. There's nothing like it. Like a marathon, you warm up, you get into the flow. Here, there's no flow.
You've got time in the marathon. Even if it's a sub 3 marathon, it's still 3 hours on the road.
It just sucks. Just
Here
5
you got like
minutes.
5 minutes, and even if like it's going to be over 5 minutes, it's still like basically 5 and a bit minutes. So
What do you mean over 5 minutes?
What's this? I thought we were meant to be getting into it.
oh yeah. Hypothetically
I think he's at a different race.
We're doing the stuff out
Yeah.
of
I'm doing the sleeple chase.
Okay, friends. So what we're going to do now is a couple of sprints. We'll do.
Our pace is coming
Maybe
through.
we're not
Our
kind
pace
of
is coming
standing
through
in the right
again.
place.
I'm
here.
telling you, this guy's unbelievable. You should ask him. That's it. But time to get unchanged. My revealing is Marathon Israel. We're supporting the
Yeah.
cause.
Go
Timna.
to the challenge.
Let's do it. Ishaya is joining the journey. He's going to be our pacer for
Hey,
the
guys.
first 400. He's been running around at 250 pace. So we've asked him to take us around 305, 306 for the first 400, which is 74 seconds, 75 seconds?
Yeah, 114. So 74.
74.
So it's starting from here, from the mile.
If you wonder what that is, it's a mental thing. That's how quick we should be doing the 400s. So 74, 2:29 and 3:34, and hope we've got enough left to bring it under sub 5.
Friends, it's money time. Yeshaya was our little heaven sent. I hope you can hear me. So take us through in that first 74 seconds. On your marks.
Everybody
Get
just
set.
do your
Go!
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. You always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause of sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Miles off, but mile is great, and we'll never give up. We will get it done sometime, somehow, someplace. Maybe soon. Oi, Ishaya. Go here. Listen. Next time. Well done. Ishaya, we're going to ask you, seeing that you're training for the World European Championships in July, what do we have to do? How do we make this happen?
Be consistent.
Be consistent.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Yeah.
Spikes.
Just be consistent.
And buy some spikes.
Buy some spikes, yeah, that might help.
Anyway, you had a great run. I think
Had more to give.
the second one, you had nothing to give.
Had more to give.
Third one was good. Fourth one was good, but that second one was still asleep. Anyway, it's done. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bye.
Okay, we're just going to breathe and we'll do a little bit of a close up. Oi, how did we miss that? Let's go again. See you soon for the lowdown.
Alrighty, good people, before we give you a list of excuses as to why we didn't run the sub 5-minute mile, I want you to look at this final 109-yard stretch from this angle. Here comes Nissan Bloom in lane 1. He's blossoming, he's using his young blood, he's pushing through to the finish. He's got about a 7-second lead. Here he goes, and he's moving so strong, he's coming to the finish, and he crosses the line in 5:07. There come the two old bags. Shmuel is pulling strong. Avigdor is catching him. Can they make it to the end? Come on, boys, you can do it. And they cross the line in 5:15 and 5:16, and Avigdor drops to the ground. What a run. Hopefully we don't have to do this again.
We did it. We did not hit 5 minute. 5:07, 5:06 for me. They were about 5:16. Just finished my cool down. Pretty dead. It was good effort. Went out a little bit too slow. Second lap was a bit slow as well. I was trying to be conservative. Managed to up it in the third and fourth lap, but by then the damage was done. We've made it back to base camp. There you go.
Oh, thank you.
Maybe soon.
Next time. While Vicky sorts out the tunes, he's chosen a good one. Ladies and gentlemen, the mile is done. We have smiles, even though it wasn't the mile we were expecting. The lungs are burning.
Much better.
Anyway, I'd like to start off by saying, Nissan, it really was good having you there. There's no question that the potential that is within you is a sub 5. You said 455. I agree with you. So there we go. So we're going to hang tight with you. And Viggy, my comrade, absolutely superb opening 400. That tells me we can do it too. We're never going to give up. I think that person was a 72 second.
Go
Yes?
left. Oh,
Woo-hoo!
all good. It's the same ETA.
Anyway, so we hope we can make contact with Yeshaya, who did help us, but I think Viggy was the perfect opening pacer for sub 5. So we'll do that next time. Nissan, I believe you gave a little bit of a lowdown when you grabbed the GoPro earlier.
I did.
So anything else you'd like to add?
Great experience. Thank you for pulling me into this training. It's good training with you guys. And 4 weeks time, second attempt.
I think you should be there for your wife. You've got a baby coming. Could be in the next few days, Beshatova. Sure. But anyway, you'll join the journey. And Victor, what you got to say?
We'll be back.
We'll be back. Wise words of wisdom. What's going on?
That's some good shit right there.
Anyway, look at this, guys. Yerushalayim, Ira Kodesh.
Which one? Where we go?
Oh, straight. We're dropping off Nissan at the train station. We're making our way back to Modi'in.
Right, that's the next one.
Yeah. So friends, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment. And I have to tell you something, the 12-week plan program is coming to an end. Why? Because the Tiberias Marathon has been cancelled. That was supposed to be 2 weeks' time. So I've been doing a lot of marathon training. We're going to delay it slightly and we're going to choose a marathon, be it the Dead Sea Marathon, Cyprus Marathon, what else marathon? Jerusalem Marathon?
Jerusalem.
Sub 3 Jerusalem?
Sub 3 Jerusalem
Amen.
Marathon?
Amen.
We have done that in the past, 2013.
The royal we, that is.
Okay,
you, not
exactly.
me.
But yeah, we'll see what'll come. Anyway, but I wish I'd done it today. You just don't have that. But I'm going to go home and find my mojo and move on to the next goal. So thanks guys for following along. We will see you
On the next one.
on the next one. We will see you on the next one. And Nissan is going to do a peace out for us today. All the way, peace out. Nice. Lungs are still broken. Bella ciao. I have to add this in. It's kind of like something that the pennies just dropped. Both Vig and I ran in high stack shoes, the what are they? Adizeros. And it's definitely true, and I think Nissan said this, on the corners it's just too bouncy, you've got no grip. So all these excuses are coming in. It's great.
It's at least 5 seconds a corner.
At least. So anyway, we already went on to Running Warehouse. We're looking for spikes. So we'll be seeing you with our spikes and we'll see what we can do then. In the meantime, we're going to enjoy the music.
Have you spiked your interest?
Oh yes. Okay friends, we'll catch you later. What a great tune. Come on. Bella ciao. Give us volume. Fry on Monday night.
It's the
Tuesday
mobile
night
before the rain. No rain this year!
Coming in hot and
sweaty. I just want to start here like this. How's the light?
Not good.
Not good?
Good.
I think it's good. Okay. 1, 2. Good. Shalom and good afternoon. It's the Shalom and good afternoon. It's the day before. Yeah, that's it. Shalom and good afternoon. It's the day before the big day. Tomorrow's sub 5 minute mile attempt